The Liebherr LTM 1100-5.3 represents a significant advancement in mobile crane technology, combining efficiency, mobility, and high-performance capabilities. With a telescopic boom extending up to 62 meters, 203 feet, and a maximum lifting capacity of 100 tons, this crane is engineered for versatility across a range of construction and industrial applications. One of its most notable design features is its ability to transport up to 16.9 tons of counterweight while maintaining an axle load of only 12 tons. This compliance with international transportation regulations enhances its logistical convenience, making it an optimal choice for projects requiring frequent relocation. A key element of the LTM 1100-5.3's engineering innovation is its exceptional road adaptability. The crane can be configured to reduce axle loads to as little as 9 tons, facilitating smoother permitting processes and ensuring accessibility to areas with stricter transportation regulations. This reduction in ballast transport requirements not only minimizes logistical complexities, but also lowers overall operational costs. Furthermore, Liebherr's proprietary Logistical 3 control system introduces a suite of advanced automation and safety features, enabling precise load management and improving overall operational efficiency. Beyond its transportability, the LTM 1100-5.3 excels in lifting performance due to its long and robust telescopic boom. This feature provides extended lifting radii, allowing for greater flexibility in applications ranging from urban infrastructure projects to large-scale industrial operations. Liebherr's emphasis on lightweight construction and optimized counterweight distribution ensures that the crane maintains superior stability while remaining highly maneuverable.